Hey guys, good morning, good evening. This is BKD. So welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I started posting, but like I told you guys, I'm gonna start posting now. I just took some time off. It's been really hectic and busy at work, so that's why I didn't post it for a minute. But welcome back to the channel. For some of you guys, if you're new to the channel, just hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel. In case if we have new videos, new contents that come out, you'll be the first person to be notified. So anyway, I want to talk to you guys today about the lemon law. So what is a lemon law? So some of you guys who actually buy Teslas as a lemon car, couple of things that I wanted to warn you guys about before you buy any Tesla that is lemon car. Make sure that car is actually functioning very well. The problem is, and I've known somebody who ran into that problem. If you go back to actually trade that car, or you want to sell it back to Tesla, number one, if you want to sell it to Tesla, Tesla will refuse to buy a lemon car. So let's start with a lemon car. So let's say there's a default in the car, and they've tried so many times, I think it's like 3, 4, 5 times, a specific part in your Tesla. If you bought the car new from Tesla, you have every right to claim that as a lemon car. So what Tesla will do, let's say you've taken it to Tesla for maybe 2, 3, 4 times and they couldn't fix it, then Tesla at that point will agree that, hey, we're gonna actually buy the car from you, like a buyback, right? Or they might actually exchange it for you for another Tesla car, because they do have other cars there that sometimes it's like loaner cars. So sometimes they will exchange those cars for you and they will take your car. So they will take it and they will try to fix it. If they fix the car, Tesla will actually write it off as a lemon car. Now, some of the car dealerships, they will buy those cars at a very cheap price. You understand? They buy those cars at a very cheap price. Then they will try to sell it to you. Okay? Now, when they sell it to you, they have to actually, they have to notify you, not only by mouth, but also in writing by claiming this is a lemon car. And they're supposed to also inform you what is the condition of the lemon, like what causes the car to be in a lemon, and you have to sign that and agree to it. Okay? Because if you don't sign that and they never disclose that to you, you can technically sue them. But let's say now you sign that car and Tesla says they fixed it. Sometimes some car dealerships, it's almost very difficult to actually find out exactly what was it that they fixed. Or even if you call Tesla, they will give you the runaround. Okay? So you buy that from the dealership, you take it with you now. It's in your possession now. If something happened to that vehicle, it's your problem now, because Tesla is not going to take it, and since you agreed from the dealership, now it's in your hand now. So you're going to have to pay a lot of money again to fix that. So before you buy any lemon car, make sure you are very aware of what you're doing, right? Make sure you know exactly why did you want to buy that lemon car. Please, I've seen so many people got into this mess, and we don't want to keep seeing Tesla families getting into this problem. Buy your Tesla at a reputable car dealership or buy directly from Tesla. You know, very nice financing. Tesla have one of the lowest financings that you can find. Or go to your regular dealerships if you find a Tesla that you like and the price is right, and you can buy that from them, right? So, what am I trying to tell you guys? If you buy a car from Tesla and the Tesla is actually a lemon car, what is the process like? So if you buy it from Tesla and you find out like this car, for some reason, there's this particular problem, it's always giving you problem. No matter how much Tesla try to fix it, it always gives you problem. You've taken it to Tesla, they fix it, you went home and it gives you a problem again. You call Tesla again, and then you bring it back to Tesla, they fix it again, and then it gives you a problem again, and then you take it to Tesla again, and then they fix it. The problem keep going and happening all the time. Finally, you get tired of it. You said, hey, Tesla, I'm having a problem with this. Actually, you can call their number. There's a number for dispute and buyback. You can call that number and you can explain to them what is your problem, right? And what Tesla will do is like they will start opening the case for you. And when they open it, somebody will reach out to you and you explain it to them what happened. They will immediately go to your records and they can able to see all your records, okay? And then they'll ask you to bring you to their nearest places. Wherever you live, there might be a Tesla delivery site there, and you can just go there and drop the car. So then Tesla will take it. Either they will buy back and pay you back the car, how much you paid to finance it. If you're financing, if you pay cash for it, including the taxes, they will pay you that, okay? So you have a choice to go buy a new car, or Tesla will say, you know what, we will switch you and give you a new car, or give you a car that is about the same value as the one that you have, and then they will take the old one from you, okay? So sometimes Tesla might push back. They said, no, we fixed this problem. There was no problem. I think you're losing your mind. You know, no, we don't have any issues. Maybe you're just trying to get rid of this Tesla. You don't like this Tesla. So what I advise people is, once you start getting into a lemon problem, make sure you start documenting everything. Not only to rely on Tesla software, because they can delete, they can add, they can put whatever in their software, but write down the problem, when it happens and what time it happened, okay? The reason I say that is because just in case tomorrow, if you have to take a lemon lawyer, lawyers that specialize in lemon cases, because sometimes lemon cases are one of the most difficult cases that you're gonna fight. But that's why you need all these things, just so in case if you have to go to court to fight a lemon case. Then there's also mediation that you can go to for dispute and for mediation, and sometimes those people, they can work between you and Tesla until the problem is solved. All right, guys, that's what I have for you guys now. If you are someone who actually was in a lemon problem, send me a link below. Let's talk about these issues. The more we talk about it, the more we are aware, our communities are aware, the more we help each other out. That's what this channel is about. It's about helping people, let them understand their rights, let them also understand what is going on with their Teslas, and in case if something happens, what do you do to solve those issues out. Again, this is BKD. Our channel is BKD or BK Dabo, and that's the handle for the channel. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. If new videos come out, you'll be the first person to be notified. Until then, I catch you guys in the next video. Bye.